All right, so during the recording, the video paused, so this is going to be a continuation to today's lesson. Like I've mentioned before, we're on question 33, and it's asking me to compare 85,921 to 783, and I'm looking at particularly the digit 8. And so what I've gone ahead to do is I've rewritten them, and I've lined them up by place value. Then I've underlined the 8 in each number. And now I'm going to think to myself, well, how many times is that 8 in 85,921? How many times greater is that than 783? And what I can do is kind of like look, every place value either increases or decreases by 10. And so if I'm going to, let's say, the left, that's times 10. And then if I go one more place value, that's another times 10. And then another place value would be then another times 10. And so I think to myself, well, 10 times 10 equals 100. 100 times 10 equals 1,000. Okay, so the value of the digit increases by 1,000 because technically it's 1, 2, 3 place values to the left, or 1, 2, 3 place values to the right, regardless. Okay, so just by browsing the answer choices, there is a clear answer. It's not A, it's not B. The correct answer is C. Okay, thank you for tuning in to today's video. I just want to go over the questions that are being assigned to you today. And so from today's lesson, you should be able to complete 1. 22 is asking you about the number forms, and so I'm going to include a separate resource and video link for you. 27 and 35 actually are more aligned with yesterday's math lesson. However, you can still attempt to answer them because it's something we've already covered in this week's review. And 51 is also a pretty simple, straightforward question asking you to compare numbers, okay? Please reach out if you have any questions and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, scholars.